Hi! In front of me is Nokia 1.4 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, access calendar by clicking on it. Now you need to click on this little icon at the bottom right corner and just got it. After that, tap on the month above over here and pick a date by tapping on the best one for you, like that one. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose event. Finally, you can customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title, set up notifications minutes, hours or even weeks before, change color, take notes, add location by typing the address over here, but firstly you need to choose while using the app or only this time. I will go with forks, so now when I type it in, I need to select the best one, the correct one actually, by tapping on it. And you can also, for example, choose starting hour and ending one. When you're ready, choose save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can edit it by tapping on it, choosing this pen icon at the top right corner, making your changes and tapping on save again. You can also delete it though by clicking on it again, but this time choosing those three dots at the top right corner, selecting delete and confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!